Hey guys, I just wanted to stop in and show you how I made this tiki. After Hurricane Sally, we had a lot of trees down. Our yard was a mess, as you can see. And I wanted to save the trees, so I decided to make a tiki. And this is the template that I used. I pretty much made an X with spray paint, knowing that I was going to end up removing a lot of the bark from the tree. So this is pretty much the template that I used. To remove the bark, what I did was simply turn the chainsaw to an angle and use the sides of the chain to actually rub up and down to remove the bark. Here it's almost done. And to round the edges of your cuts, I used a dremel with the sanding attachments. Cut some angles in. Anytime you start cutting in, you cut in a triangle shape, and that's what kind of gives you the defined lines. I had no clue and no plan. I kept going at it until I was satisfied. Just kind of made some score lines, just something to make it a little different. I was trying to go for a Polynesian type. I wasn't so great at it, but it turned out just fine for me. I cut in some pineapples. I made a little like headband just to kind of add some definition. I gave him a little goatee too because I felt after his mouth it kind of felt a little bare and open. And this is pretty much my finished product, which was a blank canvas. And I did start to add in some black stain into the grooves just to kind of make it look more defined, give it some dimension. And get creative. You can just get creative, and whatever your mind brings you to, just implement it and keep on going. This is it after I put some paint colors on it. I stained it. I made sure that I put some black stain in between the teeth as well, just to kind of enhance the teeth. I added a little bit of embellishments, stain, different areas. Again, I had no clue what I was doing. I just kind of went with the flow, and whatever came to mind, I just added it in. So I used a chainsaw and a dremel with the little chainsaw attachment. Seriously guys, this is my last Tiki post because I am done. So thank you all that gave me little hearts and encouragement to continue to do my little project, but I am super happy with how it turned out. So I've just been sharing, but now that I'm done, on to the next in life. So this is him. I did some little embellishments. I wanted to put earrings on him, but my husband was like, I think you're good. I just wanted to make note as well that you can buy little paint containers to apply to your tikis from Home Depot or Lowe's. You can have them color tinted. I actually did a little bit of that. I used a lot of different colored stains and some acrylic paints that I mixed together with some regular paints to create the colors that I wish to use. And then of course I used a marine polyurethane to seal everything in and give it a nice shine. And some UV protection. So that's it. Don't call me for hire. I'm not for hire. I won't be doing something this big for a minute. But I love it. I'm super satisfied. Love you guys.